Saraswati Samman. The Saraswati Samman is an annual award for outstanding prose or poetry literary works in any of the 22 languages of India listed in Schedule 8 of the Constitution of India. It is named after an Indian goddess of knowledge. The Saraswati Samman was instituted in 1991 by the K.K. Birla Foundation. Saraswati Samman is recognized as the most prestigious and highest literary award in the country. As award winner gets 15 lakh rupees, a citation and a plaque. Let's see the list from 1991 to 2021. 1991, Harivansh Rai Bachchan for autobiography in 4 volumes in Hindi. 1992, Ramakant Rath for poetry Sri Radha in Odisha. 1993, Vijay Tendulkar for play Kanyadan in Marathi. 1994, Harbhajan Singh for poetry collection Rukte Rishi in Punjabi. 1995, Balamani Amma for poetry collection Nivedyam in Malayalam. 1996, Shamsur Rahman Farooqi for Sher Shor Acres in Urdu. 1997, Manubhai Pancholi for Kurukshetra in Gujarati. 1998, Shankha Ghosh for poetry collection Gandharva Kavita Gutha in Bengali. 1999, Indira Parthasarathy for play Ramanuja in Tamil. 2000, Manoj Das for novel Amruta Bhala in Oriya. 2001, Dalip Kaur Vana for novel Katha Kaho Urvashi in Punjabi. 2002, Mahesh L. Kuchwar for play Yugant in Marathi. 2003, Govind Chandra Pandey for poetry collection Bhagirathi in Sanskrit. 2004, Sunil Gangopadhyay for novel Pratham Alo in Bengali. 2005, K. Ayyappa Panikar for poetry collection Ayyappa Panikarude Kritigal in Malayalam. 2006, Jagannath Prasad Das for poetry collection Parikrama in Oriya. 2007, Nair Masood for short stories collection Taus Chaman Ki Maina in Urdu. 2008, Lakshmi Nandan Bara for novel Kayakalpa in Assamese. 2009, Surjit Padar for Labzandi Dargah in Punjabi. 2010, S.L. Bhairappa for Mandra in Kannada. 2011, A.A. Manavalan for Iramakadayam Iremegalum in Tamil. 2012, Sugathakumari for poetry collection Manaleduthu in Malayalam. 2013, Govind Mishra for novel Dhool Padhopar in Hindi. 2014, Veerappa Moili for poetry Ramayana Mahanveshnam in Kannada. 2015, Padma Sanchdev for autobiography Chitchete in Dogri. 2016, Mahabaleshwar Sail for novel Havdan in Konkani. 2017, Sitanshu Yashaschendra for poetry collection Vakhar in Gujarati. 2018, K. Shivareddy for poetry Pakke Ottagalade in Telugu. 2019, Vasudev Mohi for short stories series Checkbook in Sindhi. 2020, Dr. Sharan Kumar Limbale for his book Sanatan.